are stuck in the car right now. Lauren's here too. It is pouring down rain outside. We're going to go into Home Depot right there, but we're gonna give it a minute. Maybe the rain will let up just a hair.
Okay.
Alright, let's keep this thing going.
You got your wallet?
No.
Cause I don't got no money.
Guess I'm buying again. Alright, we're looking for some drywall screws, and we're looking for maybe something to take care of the backyard. Some sort of hedge trimmer or something. Going to the Home Depot.
6. I found it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That works. You're being a good boy.
You want to get your backyard back? Yeah.
Trying to figure out what equipment we need to take care of the backyard.
$250 for theirs. It looks like it does have attachment things, but I don't see. Oh, maybe
Yeah, we need the
they don't have them like here.
we need the blade one. Do they show images? Oh, look here.
Well, yeah. See on this, it shows you what attachments you can get. It just doesn't have one here.
Even tractors. That's for the kids.
Thank you for shopping at
You
the
know when kids are young.
Home Depot.
Can we do our thing?
Yeah, wouldn't that be nice?
Big white nose.
That's what we need. Good boy.
Go, go, go.
They can't get in until I unlock it. I don't know what they're thinking. I don't know what they're thinking. Oh! Well, they were thinking I didn't lock it. Success!